Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia World. This is Varun Ganga. Guys, in the last session we have seen many examples regarding how to find cubes for the given two-digit number by using Anurupya Sutra. And now in this session, with regarding to the same concept of applying Anurupya Sutra in finding the cubes, we are going to have some more examples. And the example that I am going to take in this session is find the cube of 63. So guys, as usual, in order to find the cube of 63, we are going to use the Anurupya Sutra with the following procedure. As I said in the previous sessions, while applying Anurupya Sutra has 3 rows of different parts of process in order to get the cube of the given two-digit number. So now let us see what are the rows and the parts that are included in the process. So now coming to the first row. So in the first row, the first part, what we have to do here is we have to cube the digit that is in tens place. So here in the number 63, the digit in tens place is 6, and by cubing the number 6, we will get 216 as the answer. Coming to the second part, we have to multiply the square of digit in the tens place with the digit in ones place. So here in the number 63, the digit in tens place is 6, and by squaring 6 we will get 36 as the answer, and by multiplying with the digit in ones place, that is with 3, we will get 36 into 3 is equals to 108 as the answer. Coming to the third part of the first row, now here we have to multiply the digit in tens place with the square of the digit in ones place. So here in the number 63, the digit in tens place is 6 and the digit in ones place is 3. So by squaring the digit in ones place, that is 3 square, we will get 9, and by multiplying that 9 with the number 6, we will get 54 as the answer. Now coming to the fourth part, we have to cube the digit that is in ones place. So here in the number 63, the digit in ones place is 3, and by cubing the number 3, we will get 27 as the answer. After getting the answers of the first, second, third and fourth part of the first row, what we have to do here is we have to write these answers sequentially in the following way. So here the first row, the first part answer what we have got is 216, and the second part answer what we have got is 108, and the third part answer what we have got is 54, and the fourth part what we have got is 27. Now after getting the answers of the first, second, third and fourth part of the first row, now what we have to do here is we have to move on to the second row. So here in the second row, the first part what we have to do here is we have to double the second part of the first row. So here the second part, the first row, what the answer we have got is 108, and if we double the second part, that is 108, we will get 216 as the answer. Now moving to the second part of the second row, what we have to do here is we have to double the third part of the first row. So here the answer that is in the first row, third part is 54, and if we double the number 54, we will get 108 as the answer. And after getting the first and second part answers of the second row, we have to write these answers below the first row in the following way. So at first we have to write the first row answers like this, and below it we have to write the second row answers right below the second part and third part of the first row answers. After writing like this, we have to place a horizontal bar below the first and second row answers. Now moving further to third row, the third row says that we have to add up all the answers of the first row and second row. So in the third row, we have to do addition of the answers what we have got in the first and second row. So here in the fourth part, we don't have any answers of the second row to add up. So what I am going to do here is I am going to write the answer that is 27 as it is. Now moving to the third part, here we are having two numbers, that is 54 and 108. We have to add up these two numbers, so by adding we will get 162 as the answer. And moving to second part, here we are having two numbers, that is 108 and 216. By adding up these two numbers, we will get the answer as 324. Now moving to the first part, here we don't have any numbers to add up with the first part, first row answer. So what we have to do here is we have to write the answer that is 216 as it is. Now let us place one more horizontal bar below it. Now by using some special rules of additions and carry-ons, we have to add up all the answers what we have got in the third row. So here in the fourth part, the answer what we have got is 27, but it is being a two-digit number. We have to take the digit in ones place, that is 7, and we have to write it in the answer like this. And the remaining number 2 should be taken as carry on to the third part. So by adding 162 with the number 2, we will get 164 as the answer. But 164, it is a 3-digit number, so we have to take the digit that is in ones place, that is 4, and this 4 should be written in the answer like this, and the remaining number 16 should be taken as carry on to the second part. Now by adding 324 with the number 16, that is carry on, we will get 340 as the answer. Again 340, it is a 3-digit number, so we have to take the digit in ones place, that is 0, and we have to write it in the answer like this. And the remaining number 34 should be taken as carry on to the first part of the answer. Now by adding 216 with the number 34, we will get 250 as the answer. But now there are no more parts that the answer can be taken as carry on. So now what I am going to do here is, I am going to take the whole answer, that is 250, in the answer as it is. So now by combining this 250047, we will get the final answer for the cube of 63, and therefore we can say that 63 cube is equals to 250,047. So guys, this is the way how we can use Anurupya Sutra in finding the cube of a given two-digit number. So I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this Anurupya Sutra in finding the cube of a two-digit number. And in the next session, we will be having some more examples regarding the same Anurupya Sutra. And for watching this video, thank you. Have a nice day.